Ever touch something scalding hot? Your hand jerks back before your brain even catches up. That's how the body of Christ should move. Quick to reach, quick to comfort, quick to care. One body, one burden, one Christ. You know that moment when you stub your toe, or when a tooth throbs so bad it's all you can think about? When one part suffers, the whole body feels it. The pain of one small part affects the whole body. The body of Christ reacts the way your body does to hurt. It moves to protect. It moves to heal. Injure your hip, and every step reminds you of it. You move slower, lean harder, depend more. That's how healing works. And that's what love looks like in the body of Christ. Shared pain, shared grace, and one Christ who holds us together. A meal dropped off, a prayer whispered, a quiet reminder, you're not alone. When one believer is hurting, we don't keep walking like nothing happened. We slow down, we gather around, we help carry the weight. That's what love looks like in the body of Christ. Bear one another's burdens, and so fulfill the law of Christ. Galatians 6:2. You ever feel someone else's pain like it was your own? When one believer suffers, the rest should feel it too. Think of a friend walking through depression or doubt. You can't fix it, but you can walk beside them. Sometimes that means sitting in the silence, like Job's friends, who stayed with him 7 days before speaking a word. That's not weakness, that's loyalty. The kind that bears with one another, the kind that endures. Encourage one another and build each other up. 1 Thessalonians 5:11. When we reach out, something holy happens. The distance between hearts begins to close, and grace bridges what pain once divided. Because this is what the church was meant to be. Not perfect people, but a people perfected by love. By this, everyone will know that you are my disciples, if you love one another. John 13:35. One body, many members, each one needed, each one known, each one held together by the same nail-scarred hands. You are the body of Christ, and each one of you is a part of it. 1 Corinthians 12:27. Thanks for watching. If this reminded you of someone who once carried you, thank them. If this video stirred your heart, give it a like and comment 111 in the comment section. A simple way to say one body, one burden, one Christ. Share it with someone who's looking for hope or just needs to be reminded they're not alone. Subscribe for more from Fire Media, where Christ is the message.